Okay, this question asks you to describe the single transformation which maps triangle P onto triangle Q. It is one transformation. If you talk about more than one transformation, you won't get any marks at all. So we can see that to get P onto Q, it is some form of enlargement. So you get 1 mark for writing that it is an enlargement. We then need the scale factor of the enlargement, and the scale factor is how many times bigger P is, or what do we multiply the length of P by to get the length of Q? Well, we can see there's 1 unit across the bottom. This is 3, so the scale factor of the enlargement is 3. Now we also need to find the centre of the enlargement, and to find the centre of enlargement, what we do is we join up corresponding corners. So I'm going to join this corner to this corner, so the top corner of the 2 triangles, I'm going to join those up, and then also going to join this corner to this bottom corner here and extend that line, so keep that going. That's about there. I'm also going to join this corner to this corner, although I can pretty well see where the centre of enlargement is going to be. So I'm going to join this corner here to this corner here and then extend that line, and I can see where those 3 lines actually intersect at this point here. That is the centre of enlargement. Now the coordinates of that point there are 4, 3, so we say it's an enlargement, scale factor 3, centre 4, 3. Okay, the next thing we have to do is translate triangle Q by the vector -8, 2. And what that means, the top number tells us to go left or right. In this case, it's left 8, and then 2 is up or down, and if it's positive, it's up 2. So we're going to take triangle Q and we're going to move it 8 places to the left. So I'm going to choose one of these corners. So let's choose this one. If I move it 8 places left, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That top corner is there, and then I'm going to go up 2, so the top corner is going to end up here. All I need to do then is draw in the rest of the triangle. So the triangle is 6 squares high. Let's use a ruler here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares high. It's also going to be 3 squares this way. So I'm going to go 3 across like that, and then join up here. And there is my enlarged triangle, and I have to call that triangle R. Okay, the last thing it asks me for is the transformation which maps R onto P. Now be careful here, it's not it is an enlargement, so again it's an enlargement. You can have an enlargement where a shape is made smaller, but be careful, it's not an enlargement scale factor 3, because R is changing into P, and in fact the scale factor is not negative, but because P is 1/3 of the size of R, we say it's an enlargement scale factor 1/3. Now again, what we have to do here is we have to find the centre of the enlargement. So I'm going to join corresponding corners of R and P. So I'm going to choose the bottom left-hand corner of R to the bottom left-hand corner of P, and then it's going to continue out the other side, so that's about there. The bottom corner here, I'm going to join it to the bottom corner of P, which is there. Again, I'm going to continue on, which takes me to about there. Top corner of R to the top corner of P, and then keep on going down. And in fact, there we have the centre of enlargement. It's this point here. So in fact, the centre this time is the point 8, 2.